Hi guys, it's Maddie. Welcome back to another vlogmas. Today is Monday, December 16th. Today is going to be like the most stressful day of my life, but after today I can like chill because it's my last day of classes, basically my last day of the semester. I have a final exam this morning at 10 for my services marketing class. It's like 8:30 right now. I'm about to head to campus a little bit early so that I have a little bit of extra time to look over my study guide. I'm not like too nervous about that, but hopefully it's not too bad. And then after that, I'm going to be on campus for a little while working on my final project. I feel like I've talked about this in so many vlogs, but I have like my big project due for my marketing strategy class. It's technically due tonight at 7 p.m, but we can turn it in anytime today to like the professor's office. So I'm gonna try to get it done as soon as I can. I still have quite a bit of work to do on it. I have to turn it in like this big binder, and I literally think it's gonna be like 50 pages long when I print everything out. So, and then I just have a like take-home final due for my marketing research class. It's due on Wednesday, but I kind of want to get that done today as well, just so I can be completely done with all of my classes, not have to think about anything anymore, and just be done with the semester. So yeah, and today is a very exciting video actually because it is sponsored by Talentless, which you guys know I love Talentless, and you can imagine how excited I was when I got the opportunity to work with them. I am wearing their sweats right now. If you guys are unfamiliar, Talentless is Scott Disick's brand. They basically make super high quality premium basics. So I have been living in their sweats. I bought a couple sets with my own money and I've been wearing them non-stop. I have like the all black one. I have this really cute neon one that I wore to Rolling Loud. Right now I'm wearing this all white set, which I think the all white is like such a look. I just get the women's premium hoodie and the women's premium sweatpants, both in a size medium. I size up in them just because I like them to fit a little bit baggier and just like more loose and comfortable, but if you want them to be a little more fitted, you could just do like normal true to size. I absolutely love the fit and the quality of these. They're seriously so nice. They're just like the best material, like they're thick. They just like feel very high end. I also love that the pants have like the drawstring waistband so that it's adjustable. And my favorite part is the pants have like this double pocket situation. So there's like the regular pocket, right? And then there's also a zipper pocket. So it's like double. And I don't know why, I just think that's the coolest thing. I also got this set. I've been loving this maroon color. As you can see, it's like literally matches my nails perfectly. So it's just the same women's hoodie and sweatpants. I feel like you can really dress these up or down, and also they're really good as separates too. If you don't want to get the whole set together, just the hoodie on its own or the sweatpants on its own, mixed and matched with something else in your closet. Like I said, they are premium basics, so they can really just go with anything. They're at a pretty decent price point for what you're getting too. There are definitely more like luxury, high-end basics companies that charge way more than this, and I would much rather invest in like a higher quality piece that I'm gonna get a ton of use out of and have for a really long time than like something cheap that's not gonna last me. So I think these are 100% worth the money. I've literally been living in Talentless sweats during final season because I cannot be bothered to like put outfits together. With these, I am so comfortable, like literally could not be more comfortable, but I still feel like I look trendy and put together. Some more exciting news is I actually teamed up with Talentless to do a giveaway. So I will be giving away 5 pairs of sweats to some lucky winners. All the information on how to enter the giveaway is down below, but basically you need to just register your email to the link at the top of the description box. You need to follow Talentless. There's a link to do that down below as well. And then when you're done with both those things, you can leave a comment on this video saying that you did those 2 steps and telling me where you're from. And then 5 lucky winners will be randomly selected, and you guys can rock these amazing sweats as well. Also, if you guys just want to shop on the Talentless website, you can do that with my discount code. It's just Maddie20. It'll get you 20% off your purchase. I cannot recommend their sweats enough. I absolutely love them. So I gotta get going. I have to head to campus and do some last minute studying for this final. So wish me luck. It's gonna be a long day of classes, but once today is over, like I'm done and I'm so happy. How are you gonna do stuff?
Bad. Let's not talk about it.
I just got back home. It's like 9 o'clock. Today was the longest day of my life. I was on campus all day, but I wasn't even in class. I had my final exam for my services marketing class this morning at 10, which I think that went well. Not really concerned about that. And then I literally spent the next like 8 hours working on my marketing strategy final project. It ended up being 85 pages and we had to like submit it in this binder, make it professional looking. It was like literally the most difficult project I've had throughout college. It was so hard, but I'm done and I feel so relieved. And then I just stayed on campus a little bit longer and did my marketing research take home final. So I'm all done. Literally the best feeling ever. It's like turning in your last final and just being done with the semester. I honestly didn't love any of my classes this semester. Every semester is different. You're gonna have classes that you like, classes that you don't like. I just happened to have a bunch of classes that I didn't like all in one semester, and I really just didn't enjoy any of my classes, but it's fine. Glad to be done with them. One semester to go and then I graduate. But I like can't even keep my eyes open right now. I'm so tired. So I didn't get a lot of vlog footage today, so I'm going to continue this vlog into tomorrow. So I'm gonna go take my makeup off and shower and then probably head straight to bed. Hello guys, it is Tuesday now. I have a pretty busy day just getting things done today because tomorrow morning I am leaving for a trip. I haven't even told you guys where I'm going yet. As you guys are watching this, I will be relaxing in Turks and Caicos. So excited. I'm going with my mom. We wanted to take a little mother-daughter trip somewhere warm and tropical where we can just relax and do absolutely nothing. So it's kind of like a post-finals little treat for myself and then just a little break from work for her. So we are very excited. I will of course be vlogging, and also follow me on Instagram because I'm going to try to post lots of pictures on there. This morning I was on the phone with Verizon for like 2 hours because I'm trying to get the new iPhone. I did like an online order and tried to upgrade this one last week, and then they like messed up the order and I was on the phone with customer service all morning, like on hold, trying to figure it out. Finally I did like an in-store pickup order, so it should be ready at some point today. I haven't gotten the confirmation yet, so I'm just like waiting. I also need to stop at the mall. I feel like I'm always at the mall, especially like during December. I have one more gift to get at the mall by the time I get back because we are gonna be on vacation until Sunday like evening, which is the 22nd, and then there's only 2 days left before Christmas, and I do not want to go to the mall on those 2 days because it's gonna be crazy. So I need to get my shopping done today. I'm also about to stop at PetSmart because I'm running low on cat food and Ben's gonna be watching the cat while I'm gone, so I just need to like stock up on everything that he needs for that. There's just so much to get done. I also have to pack. That's my day. It's like my last day here before my trip, just getting everything done that I need to. Also, like the stress of finals really got to me, and I just picked up the nail polish on my thumb, but like I just got these done like a week ago, so I just like I would like to have them done for my trip, but I also just don't really care and I don't really have time to get them done, so whatever. The trees are covered in ice and it looks so pretty. Look who I ran into. Just always here. Back home from the mall now. I just stopped at Sephora. I just got a new bottle of Truth Serum. I've been using the Drunk Elephant like vitamin C serum for a little while now, but I think I like this one a lot better, so I'm gonna switch back to Truth Serum. It was like spend $75, get $20 off, so this was like $73. So then I got a beauty blender and this was basically free because this is like $20. I'm always needing new beauty blenders because I lose them. I think my cat steals them. Now I'm going to start packing. I always wait until the last minute to pack. It's literally my least favorite thing ever. And I don't even know what to pack for this trip. I think I'm gonna bring like a swimsuit for every day, a daytime like casual outfit for every day, and then maybe a couple like nicer outfits if we end up going to dinner or something. We're only there for like 4 days, so I should be able to pack pretty lightly. I'm gonna start off by laying out all of my outfits that I'm gonna bring. Just took a shower and did like my nighttime skincare routine so that I could pack my skincare products that I use. I am so pale. I cannot wait to be laying in the sun tomorrow. I just laid out all of the like products that I'm bringing, but I haven't done my makeup yet. This is like skincare. I kind of just bring like any mini travel size things that I have. So I have this like mini cleanser, truth serum, moisturizers, eye cream, micellar water, peel pads. These are so good for travel, so convenient. A little marula oil. I have like a little travel size body wash, razor, toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, lotion, a travel like perfume. I'm also bringing some like sun stuff. So I have like a lip balm with 30 SPF, setting mist with 50 SPF, sunscreen, tanning oil, some hair stuff, hair tools. So I'm gonna put all of this into little bags and then also going to pack my makeup. I got this package from the Mayfair group. They sent me a bunch of hats from this brand, Olive and Peak. And I feel like this hat is so cute, but I look so weird in it. Like, I don't understand why I cannot pull off hats ever. I want to so bad, but I feel like it looks so weird on me. I think I'm gonna pack it though and try to style it somehow on my trip. I'm bringing this book with me. I'm not really much of a book reader, but a goal of mine is to become one. And now that I have like some more free time since school is over for this semester, I want to start reading more. So I'm taking my backpack as my carry-on. Just throw everything in there. I actually feel like I got my stuff together pretty quickly, but it's already late. It's like 10:30 right now. I'm super tired, so I'm gonna head to bed. I have to be up pretty early. My flight's at like 9 o'clock. I have to drive over to my parents' house before we go to the airport. Have to be up pretty early, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you're excited for a little switch up of the content. I feel like the vlogs have gotten pretty repetitive of just me like working or going to school or like running errands and stuff, so it'll be nice to be on vacation and have like a change of scenery. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a vlogmas, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.